Alright, what's up guys? We're here with a new video. I know I haven't uploaded any gaming in a while. I know. Sorry about that. I know. Oh my god, this music is so loud. Let's turn that off. Let's just come back to Beast Swarm of a Beast, obviously. Alright. See if you've already defeated Coconut Crab, little boy. Let's see this. There's really no one. That's kind of sad, but it'll do. So now, let's look over here at memory match. Now, let's get some wins. Maybe not too many of a boost. I am a little bit sick, so my voice is going to be a little cracked, as you can hear, most likely. But, I don't know. I've never had the best microphone, so let's just donate. See if I have any donating first. No, so let's donate tropical drink. Ooh, Pepper Patch. Alright, now let's roll some dice. Oh my god, I have a lot of tropical drinks. I'm gonna go check how many I need for the coconut canister. Alright, cause that's something really good. Sorry about the coughs and stuff. Hopefully one day when I have more subscribers, I'll be able to afford something to edit these out. If you have any editing programs I can use that aren't any money, they're free, I'll take them. Alright, oh my god, I have a lot of tropical drinks though, that's crazy. Never even thought about my tropical drinks. Alright, please. No! It doesn't matter though, because if you know, you know, but I got the demon mask, so I'm kind of really OP. I'm no endgame yet, and this is my main account, so you guys won't see me quit because I'm mid endgame, middle, not really, but red extract. Glitter. Let's go force feed someone my jelly beans. Yeah. These rocks are poking my feet. Alright, so where are these? Oh, I forgot I have boots, but I don't know. See, this is my ability. Pretty OP. Stop me! No! Alright, now I have to stop saying vitamin things. I'm literally gonna turn into a source of vitamins. Alright. Die. Haha. Alrighty, so almost got him for me. Oh my god, and an aphid? That's crazy. I have advanced a lot since my last Beast Swarm video. Let's see if my enzymes are finished. Nope. Soon, maybe soon. Oh, and if you guys are wondering why I have so much honey, it's because I'm saving for this thing. 55.5 billion! That's a bit too much. Oh yeah, I forgot I have to force feed someone my jelly bean. I completely forgot. Let's go in the chat. Oh, never mind. This guy's probably literally macroing, so I can just put my... If he's one of those people that avoids the jelly beans on purpose, then... Oh, someone's using Scorching Star. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Last batch. Alright, now let's go to Pepper Patch. There is times where my backpack will fill up like in 1 millisecond from like 30 million a millisecond. Not a millisecond, but I like saying it because it's so much honey coming in, so. And I've got SSA and I have decided I am going Red Hive. Currently I'm going to be mixed. I'll start going to Red Hive like 40, 48 bees. Oh, and let's just say I have a mythic egg now. I've got two turpentines. Oh my god, I have a lot of terps. Oh, yep, mythic egg, 2, yeah, just a lot of eggs. Yeah, look, 3 million a second, really good stuff. And I'm not really trying to produce, I'm literally just trying to put in my sprinklers. Good stack. Oh no, I forgot to get that other one. This is pretty fun boosting. I'm really mixed in mythics right now. Alright, so I'm about to show you guys my Scorching Star if I can just unlock it. Please. This pollen text is so big. I'm not one of those people that remove it if you like the pollen text. I think it's pretty cool. It looks even better because I don't get like the M, so it's not like aggravated. So it looks pretty cool like that way. No way, mine's alright. I'll waste my last micro converter on you guys. Yup, mythic egg. Look at, I mean, my Scorching Star. I'm such a moron. One time I got it up to like 3,000 or 5,000. Okay, let's see if I can convert some of this. See how big I can get my Scorching Star. No, the second, bro. The second the Scorching Star gets out, I get my X-Flame. So let's skip. I have decent, no, not decent wins, but I have wins. That's all that matters. Alright, now let's convert it. Oh, and if you have any tips on how to convert faster, because I'm not trying to get, because my bees are overpowered, it's just like, why are they not like converting fast? It's kind of weird, I don't know. But it's just not, so yeah. Oh, and I'm gonna be changing my YouTube name. You guys choose it because I really don't know what to do for that. I can just, I don't know. Oh, and I got a Supreme Sprout earlier. I wish I could share it with you guys. I don't have a photo of it. I might. I don't know. I'll check. Probably I'll check it. So you can guys. But, oh no. I bet someone's gonna say in the comments, alright, fine, I'll just go back to the Maybe one day when I have enough subscribers, I'm able to do a live stream. And you're saying, you don't need to subscribe. Yes, you do. You need like 1,000. And I only have like, what, 20, 30? I'm grateful though, because some have like 5 and they're struggling to get like 1 subscriber every 10 vids. So, I have a decent upload schedule. I just upload videos here and there. I'm not one of those people that are able to like upload a video in like a second somehow. Like, how are you uploading these videos so fast if you barely get to like do all the stuff in them? Or maybe they have just like 30 alts that are advanced and endgame. Wish I could get me some of those, because this is my only, and my alts are like early games, so. If you want to see my alts, like and subscribe. Oh my god, my voice is so bad, isn't it? Or not, I don't know what it really sounds like. I'll hear it when the video comes out, so yeah. You got a precise mark. Oh my god, we need to start making a lot of money. 1 million honey a second and 2 million gold per second. That's pretty good. Alright. My boost is gonna run out soon. That's when the video's gonna end. Maybe, maybe not. I'm not trying to drag it like a 30-minute video. So I can do some I can do unedited videos. If you guys really want it, and if you guys say it in the comments, which you guys really do, it's alright though. But you guys can say it in the comments if you want just one big unedited super cut of me gaming. And if we can get enough, I'll just do a big long live stream with you guys. Maybe 2 of you guys will come, or 3, I don't know. Maybe a bunch of you guys will come, that would be great. Alright, I'm about to start making pollen. I got a double morph. I have double morph. Oh my god, the second I left the field, I got full for like a second. I thought I made like 30 million a second for a second. That sounds horrible, doesn't it? Oh my, 10 million. This is what I was talking about, guys. For a split second, I got like 30 million, like 10 million. You guys saw that with your eyes. Holy guacamole, pepper moldies. Maybe that should be my user. Or my username could be xflame. Yeah, that could be my username. Hopefully no one else has it. I'll check it. xflame. That sounds really good. Probably is used though. Oh no, Precise Bee is so good because you can get multiple tokens from that one token. It doesn't apply with everything. And if I hear the coin scatter is the most overpowered because you give like 100 tokens, that doesn't really count because it's just honey tokens. Sorry about my sickness. Oh look, Digital Bees has a happy face, yay. Oh yeah, I have gifted Digital Bee after grinding. Alright, let's go convert all this stuff at the hive. Bees, beesy bees. Big bees, come here, my you didn't hear anything though. You really didn't. Yep. Yeah. So. Yep. In the pepper field, what do you guys want? Do you guys want a blue boost, red boost, or white? Which? Oh my god, I don't know if I should ask you guys this. Should I? Alright, I'm gonna ask you guys, what hive color should I be? I've decided on red, but I'm just gonna hear you guys's. Cause it's all about the content, right? I don't even know if I'm popular enough in this YouTube community to get any comments, but anyway, I'll listen to you guys. I need at least 2 people just to get it, because 1 person, that's really good, but if I had multiple people, it may be one day I'll ask 10,000, but that's a different time we're talking about, so. Do you guys just wanna? I'm gonna keep going to Pepperfield, or cause more honey. You could convert it early, but the boost ends early also. So I want more honey. Beans, human beans, bee beans. Tornado. Oh, I heard it's possible to get a quadruple tornado for a second or 2. It's really rare because you have to get corruption on both of them. But imagine you got that while sprouting parties, bro. Even a double tornado, that would be broken, bro. For sprouting. Yep, watch this. Never mind, I messed it up. I'm really sad now. Oh, my digital view just covered up there. The Cloverfield. The field I hate unless I'm spending like a billion trillion honey, but in a bunch of resources. Because that's the only time it's even decent at all. Oh, and because when I have all my boosts, this makes 30 million a second. So with festive bean is literally broken. So next year I'm gonna save all my snowflakes. Cause I'm gonna get the festive bean, the 50 super smoothies, and I don't know, a bunch of other bits and pieces. But now I'm just focusing. Alright, we've got the scorching starch, try to get as bunch of. Oh no! I just realized we're gonna run out of time. Please, game, give me some luck. For the 1 time, please don't scare me. Please, got something at all. Some flavors. Where are you, spicy bees? Finally, but it's probably gonna. My scorching starch is probably gonna end. Rip. 773 scorching is decent average. Bruh, ain't no way right after, bro. Alright, let's convert. Let's see if I can hit 50 billion. No way I can hit 50 billion. Maybe 49, or 4.89 billion. So I'll be 100 million from getting it. I'm surprised how I made this much honey. Yeah, I'm a little bit tired. Just a little bit. Beequip storage. This one's gonna take a whole while to edit because my hot garbage voice and my inability to edit. So probably both of those. I'll see how big this balloon is. Pretty small, if I'm being honest, unless I'm just converting really fast. It's at 160 million, and never mind. That balloon just delayed my calculations. There's a vicious bee, but I'm kind of converting, and it's probably gonna die in the next 5 seconds. And if it doesn't, the second I start going, watch this. I'm gonna go for it. Where is it? Alright, Rosefield, watch this. Watch it die the millisecond I get there. Watch it. Watch me get scared. Or Stung me in the feet! Ow, I have a splinter! I had to do a week at him. Yes, sir. Alright. That's surprising that it didn't die the second I came. It's a little bit rare. If it's either that or I don't get it, or I get it like I get like one little damage at it at like the final millisecond. It's one of those three. So I have 80 million left in my ballooner. 75 now. That's pretty fast. Like 5 million every like 2 seconds. Not 2 seconds, but like really fast. How fast can you guys convert honey? There's probably at least like 2, maybe no one, or like at least like a couple people that are better than me at Beastform that actually watch my videos. If that happens, I'll be surprised. It is some crazy news that Elo quit. Like, it's boring, but you're like the best one. It is like really pressuring, and it feels like if you're like one of the big ones and like you're also a YouTuber, it is kind of pressuring. So yeah. For the rest of like a little bit of the time, I'm just gonna jump around the map and talk about the Elo stuff. Elo, is he still on the top of the leaderboard? I'm pretty sure he is. Yeah, it's just some noob is the second. Alright, so basically with Elo has been happening some stuff. Basically he finds, oh my god, bro! What the? Homie is broken! Yo! Bro, what was that, bro? Let me see his hive, bro. He has a siphon, everything. Oh yeah, I can see that. Mantis boy. Does he? If he doesn't have Digital Bee, I'm gonna be so happy because I finally beat him. Please do not have Digital Bee. Yeah, I'm one thing better than him, and it's a gifted Digital Bee. I also have all those other. But holy, bro, homie is rich. Bro. Let's see if he adds me back, even though there's like an 0.1% chance he does. On my username, Vendetta in Best Regard 1, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, yep. And basically with this Elo stuff, he finds the game boring, he doesn't like the game, he feels pressured. And basically for all these like pros, like if you quit and you're not like the top 5, maybe top 10, no one would really notice. Like even top 5, maybe like no one would notice. Probably not though. But like, yeah, but if you're like top 3, I feel like it is a lot more pressuring than top 5. Because if you're top 3, it's like you're like depending on the game, like it's really pressuring. Because it's like it's basically like a chore. It's not even fun. Like when you start out, it's like yeah, I get to do this, but now it's boring, and now it's like I have to do this. So yeah, and that's why I'm not gonna macros. Because if I advance in the game, like I might macro if I'm like really stuck, but no, never probably. But if you advance too fast in the game, it gets boring faster. Like you could be like number 1 at some point, but you don't have to do it right now. So, and there's probably gonna be an era where a bunch of like the best people in the game are gonna quit, and that's my time to like get number 1. So. It's probably gonna happen soon, so I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to. So yeah, it's about the information I have. And a bunch of Discord. And it's like, when I found the news, I was really surprised. But I also knew it was coming at some point. I just didn't know it was gonna be right now, know what I mean? Because I thought he said a bunch of things out of him. I thought right before he quit he was gonna break his last record. Like 100 quadrillion first. I thought he would be the one to beat that, but no. I remember when just 1 quadrillion was almost unimaginable, so now 100 quadrillion, now that's a little crazy. We have come a long way. That Turbomatic guy have like a massive boost today. I did one yesterday in Pepper. Yeah, let's do these mushrooms, and there's like in thanks, yeah, he's slowly quitting because if you can see, he's been uploading less frequently than normally. Yeah, it's kind of that and some more stuff. So. That's about it. But that's about all I have today. See you in the next video. Have a great time. Alright. You thought I was gonna end it there? Nah, bro. I'm gonna spawn a thread in the name of Elov. It might be supreme with all his power. 3, 2, 1. Rip balls.